Hi, welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. Today we'll be learning the concepts of absolute value. So what is absolute value of a number? So absolute value of a number is actually the non-negative value of that particular number, right? So mod of x is called as absolute value of x or modulus of x and is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0 and is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. Now let's take an example to understand this. So if you look at mod of x, so mod of minus 3 is actually equal to 3, right? And you can use this part of the equation to arrive at this. So this can be written as minus of minus 3 or is equal to 3. Now mod of a number is also the absolute distance of that number on the number line from origin, right? So if you draw a number line and if you plot the points, so mod of minus 3 is nothing but the distance of this point from origin and is equal to 3 itself. Hope you find the video useful and will be sharing more concepts of absolute value in subsequent videos. Thank you.